Hi guys, this is Val and welcome back to Val's Kitchen. What I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna buy some fish. Right? You know, it's Easter and all of that, we want fish. Traditional Jamaican, not care how small it is, if I have any kind, we try and get 2 fish for dinner or lunch or whatever. So I am here today at Forum Fishing Village in Portmore. And you know, all of the scheme them like Edgewater. The back of Edgewater. You can see all the mall, like Portmore Mall. You can see, you know, you can see from here and see certain places. So guys, come along with me. I'm gonna buy some fish. You know, normally me always buy the snapper or the parrot, but I think I want some sprat, herring sprat, to fry them dry and nice. I'm gonna have a video. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fry some nice escovitch fish. So come with me, come buy some fish, alright?
The boy wife call me a talk. But if you write anything, you don't know what to do. Take a cutlass and chop that off. Then, kasi worries and all the problem. Food, come me down crazy.
Full of vibes. In the morning, yeah. You give me a belly full of laughter. How you sell them here?
13 and,
13, 1,300. What you having here, sir?
runt and turby. I see fish like 2 of them now.
Oh, the same fish, is
And
alright.
sliced
No,
fish.
okay. You don't have the sprat.
No, we
And
have
normally
the-
every day I look about I buy them here for steam or whatever, so I just want the sprat.
You can get sprat if you're interested.
Yeah.
Modernize me, you can get sprat. What's no problem? You can get sprat, I can get it for you.
Yeah, how much I call them sell sprat for?
You don't know for 600 or 700 or 500, you know.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna look still.
How much? 500.
Yeah, we are look here, so. So how you sell the sprat? Especially the sprat?
It's sprat, 5.
How about them one here? How about them look one here?
Good.
Oh, the yellow ground?
Yeah.
How much I found for those?
Good.
Okay. Grunt, them fry one here, so for $1,000?
Yeah.
$1,000 for the grunt, and how much for the parrot?
11.
$1,100, and the sprat for $500. I don't know. Maybe at $100 or $200 gone up on the price, but you know, watch that still. I don't know, so we have to eat the fish. Because I want me to buy the fish. I buy the grunt, the snapper, the yellowtail snapper, I buy the other day for $1,000 a pound, guys. But now, you know, it's the Easter time. We don't know it's the Easter time. The fish price kind of go up liquor. You know them way there? So that's how it go. Oh, them scrape already?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see them size here. Oh, them not bad. I get 3 pounds of them. Right, 3 pounds. You know, I love them fish here. The sprat. You fry them dry and eat all the bone. Yeah, you eat everything.
Yeah,
Crispy and nice. Watch me.
No man, you're mad.
Snook fish, them uncommon. Snook. No uncommon fish are not like a regular fish, don't it?
Yeah.
I want yeah.
Nice.
Big and nice, like a brown stew there. Guys, look on these are doctor fish. You know, them are the nice steam. When you get one of them doctor fish and you get two fish. See them right in there, son? I buy a pound. £3 this. That's $1,500, $1,500, $500 a pound. It's a £3. Them not look so bad to see them. Good little size. You don't know say it's herring sprat already. So look out for this video. I'm gonna do a nice escovitch fish. The sprat, I really want the sprat, but channel them kinda dip on the side. So I'm gonna take some of them here. Give me 2 pounds of this. Them look a fresh one, yeah? I bet I'm buy them 1 year.
They not bother with them then?
No, them soft out. Them soft. I don't look for one. I'm never fry them enough. I bet you just buy with your fresh fish. You can't bother with it with the banga banga. $2,000. $2,000. Them fresh though, fresh fish. Them here I want. Yeah. So guys, you can come around a 4-room fishing village this. You know, want nice fresh fish. Off back road. Everybody, if you live a Portmore, you're gonna do a Portmore. Sea Arts Ride Hotel, yes, from back road. Otherwise, Port Elizabeth Road, but back road. Everybody know a back road. Alright? Yeah. So guys, thanks again for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss an upload from me, and bye.